Cybersecurity plays a critical role in preserving the integrity of data, information, and systems through various measures and practices. Here are 9 objectives of cybersecurity. 1. Access control. Cybersecurity measures. Enforce access controls to ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive data and systems. This prevents unauthorized modification or tampering with data and helps maintain its integrity. 2. Encryption. Encryption techniques are used to secure data both in transit and at rest. By encrypting data, even if it is intercepted or accessed by unauthorized parties, it remains unreadable and maintains its integrity. 3. Data integrity checks. Cybersecurity mechanisms implement data integrity checks such as checksums, cryptographic hashes, and digital signatures. These checks help ensure that data remains unchanged during storage, transmission, or processing. Any alterations to the data are detected, indicating potential tampering. 4. Network security. Secure network architecture, firewalls, intrusion detection prevention systems, and other network security measures help prevent unauthorized access to systems and data. By safeguarding network infrastructure, cybersecurity measures protect against malicious activities that could compromise data integrity. 5. Patch management. Regular updates and patch management practices help address vulnerabilities in software and systems. By promptly applying patches and updates, organizations mitigate the risk of exploitation by cyber threats that could compromise data integrity. 6. User training and awareness. Educating users about cybersecurity best practices such as strong password management, phishing awareness, and safe browsing habits helps prevent unintentional actions that could compromise data integrity, such as clicking on malicious links or downloading malware. 7. Data backup and recovery. Implementing robust data backup and recovery procedures ensures that data can be restored in the event of a cyber incident or data corruption. Regular backups help maintain data integrity by providing a means to recover from data loss or corruption. 8. Security monitoring and incident response. Continuous monitoring of systems and networks for suspicious activities enables organizations to detect potential threats and incidents promptly. Rapid incident response procedures allow for the containment, investigation, and mitigation of cybersecurity incidents to prevent further damage and protect data integrity. 9. Regulatory compliance. Compliance with cybersecurity regulations and standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, and others helps organizations establish frameworks and practices to protect data integrity and ensure accountability for data handling and protection. By implementing robust cybersecurity measures, organizations can effectively preserve the integrity of their data, information, and systems, safeguarding against unauthorized access, data corruption, and malicious activities that could compromise the trustworthiness and reliability of their digital assets. Subscribe for more cybersecurity videos.